Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with a very beautiful video of hand embroidered dresses. Guys, the beauty and creativity of this video is that today you are going to get multi-dimensional ideas. That in this video you are going to get neckline embroidery ideas, kurti embroidery designs, sleeves embroidery designs, along with bottom, trouser, capri or shalwar embroidery designs. So the treat is three-dimensional. That is, you are going to get wholesome creativity of patterns. The beautiful, bright and the different shades of basil are being shown onto your screen. I hope that you are liking, enjoying, and getting the creative ideas of whole suit embroidery patterns. And the creativity of these designs lie in one more beautiful thing, that is, they can equally be used for machine embroidery as well. So the ones who are lovers of ethnic dresses like Indian traditional dresses, Pakistani traditional dresses, Bangladeshi inspired attire dresses, or any different ethnic patterns throughout different countries, uh, this video collection is absolutely for you. Guys, if you really like these design patterns, do comment in the comment section that which design you like the most and which design you are going to try for adding a new member of your clothing to your wardrobe. So do try these patterns and share your experiences with us, and in the comment section let us know what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Guys, keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our videos as you always have been, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Up till then, guys, take care. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from as many other devices as you could, so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members.